Hello fellas, I'm back with the Makita DDF482 repair, and it's have bad noise and working and body smell, so I suspect the armature or the carbon brushes. It's hot now, and yep, we can see that the armature is burned here. You can see the new armature and the old one. You can see the burn marks here, so we have the field, we have new armature, just inserting everything. We have the pump here, the marker sign here. As the brushes left normally and they seems not to be overheated, I will try not to replace them. Of course, the recommendation is to change the brushes when you change the armature. Okay, we will check if we can close the drill hole. Okay, we have changed the armature and now we need to test it. The sound is really better. Of course, I will clean the dust here and here. Okay, now it's perfect.